eats it.
Okay, hang on.
I'm not doing it.
I'm doing it?
I'm a wiener.
What am I going to do?
You ready,
You wanna
Reese?
do it?
Am I going to just shut the door?
You're doing good, I promise. I know.
Don't hold on to the string.
Don't hold on to the string. It's not going to hurt, I promise. Wait, is it long enough yet?
No, that's not long enough.
Scoot back and just a little bit.
That's good.
Is it tied?
Yeah.
Alright, that's about
Are you
good.
ready?
No. Let's see if it's long enough.
Huh? It is long enough, you see?
That's perfect.
Ow. It kind of hurt.
What? Did his tooth just... Oh. I thought his tooth just came out.
Go.
I thought his tooth... It came out.
Did it hurt?
Yeah! Let me see.
Dude.
Ah, really bloody.
Smile.
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 Smile like this. Go. Smile for us.
He can't.
Oh, man.
Good job.
High five, dude. Reese, give me a high five.
I love his baby
awesome.
teeth.
Tough.
Oh, that is tough.
You did it.